Proceed.
Good morning, my fellow Toastmaster. I'm Toastmaster Harshita Gowda. Before moving on to my topic, I have a small question for you all. I I don't want you to answer. Just think. How many of you have forgiven a person even though that person have not asked you sorry for their mistake? Just think about it. My topic for today is forgiveness. The very nature of human being is we used to get angry, we used to hate a person if something goes against us, if someone did something against us. Well, I would say forgiveness is forgetting the past and moving on with a clear state of mind. Forgiveness is taking out the knife out of your bag which somebody has poked you and you're not using that knife on anyone else, even though no matter what, how badly you are hurt. Sometimes I used to ask myself, why can't some people forgive? Why are you continue to have that grudge in them? Because they want the other person to come and apologize first. Why can't you go and ask sorry first? You can go, right, but you don't go because your grudge is more important than that person and that relationship. My dear friend, I don't want you to do that. Just think, a 5 letter word, sorry, can save a 13-letter word, relationship. I happened to read a joke in WhatsApp. The joke was like this. If a man asks sorry when he knows that it is his mistake, yes, I'm wrong. He's wise, he's honest. And if a man asks sorry, even though that it is not his mistake and he knows that the other person is wrong, unfortunately, his husband.
Big
Okay.
round of applause.
Okay, when I read this joke, I felt like, okay, why we always expect the other person to come and apologize? It is our life, it is our mental health, it is our inner peace. We are responsible for that. We should go and ask sorry. You cannot love unless and until you forgive. Okay. Um, see, everybody have low points in life. Everybody have low points in life, right? Whenever you have low points in life, just remember you have two choices. Either you continue to stay grudge, either you continue to stay depressed, or either you continue to stay in anger, or you just forget it and move on. I want you to choose the second one. The power of forgiveness is you it allows you to lead a happy and healthy life. If you forgive that person, you are healing your mind, your body, and your soul. And if you continue to have that grudge in yourself, you're not going to punish them, you're punishing yourself. Your mental health is a victim for that. Don't do that. I read a story once which had a yogi who saved the scorpion from a flooding river. The story was the yogi sees that scorpion is going to die, so he goes on to save that scorpion. As usual, the scorpion bites him. Again, the yogi goes on to save that scorpion. Again, the scorpion bites him. A passing by devotee go and ask that yogi, "Why are you saving that scorpion? It is biting you. Just leave it off." But the yogi's answer was very different. He told, "A little scorpion cannot let go his character of biting people. How can I let go of helping the peoples?" He have that practice of forgiving because he have that ingredient of forgiveness within himself. We as a human being should have that ingredient of forgiveness, not because for anybody else, because for ourselves, because for our mental health. uh, See, uh, forgiveness, before forgiving everybody, just remember, first of all, forgive yourself. Forgive for what? Forgive for the mistakes that you think that you have made in the past. Don't punish yourself for the same mistakes again and again. After all, everybody is human beings, everybody do mistakes. Everybody is perfectly imperfect in their life, so don't punish for the past. Just forget everything and move on. To conclude that, I know everybody has so much grudges, and everybody, you all have been hurted in life. My dear friend, forgive them, forget them. See, uh, you have that grudge, and you continue to hate that person. It is going to affect you. Just forget it, because forgiving is the main key of your happiness. You never know how long a person lives with you. You never know how long they live in this world. You all like you cannot continue to stay depressed. You cannot continue to stay anger. uh, when you forget that person, like, you whenever you forget that person, it is, you're not favoring them, you're favoring for yourself. Just forget it. um See, remember, if you're for, even though you remember, it is not like it is your mistakes, it is not like you're wrong. It only means that you're valuing the relationship, and you're valuing that person more than being right. You have two choices: either being right, or being either in or love. If you want love, you have to say sorry, even though you're not, it's mistakes. If you're forgiving something, you are, it shows your maturity level, and if it shows your level of maturity, level of your thoughts, thinking process. Just forget it and move on. Just smile, because you never know what will happen in life. Thank you. Over to Toastmaster Shil.